Hey guys, Christy here. Today I want to review these label maker tape refills. And as usual, we have this product linked in the description below. So I have been reordering these several times as soon as my label maker runs out of tape. And one of the things that I love about them is just how easy they are to insert into the label maker. You basically just pull them out like this and stick them in like this, and it's ready to go. And so I have been using mine with the Dymo Label Manager 160. However, they are compatible with several other label makers. And one of my favorite things about these particular labels, this tape, is how it peels away. And rather than having to get to one corner and try and peel, it just has a slit down the middle so you can easily peel it away without having to sit there and trying to get one corner off. And as far as adhesion, I have noticed they do very well. I haven't had any issues with them falling off of anything. So highly recommend these for your label maker tape replacements.